Our sink is plugged, and we're just going to show you an easy way to unplug it. Molly, my daughter, picked out this sink plunger at Home Depot. They're pretty cheap. It's less than $3. I think it was $2 and some odd cents. So anyway, we're going to show you how to use it. And so we'll fill up our sink with water. And that's probably enough water. As you can tell, it's not draining properly. So go ahead, and you might have to, there's a hole right here on the sink, and that's an overflow, and it's connected to the piping. So you might have to plug this with your hand too while you're plunging. And as you can see, our sink is draining now. So I hope that helps you get some plugs. Your sink draining better. Also works on bathtubs, and good luck.